my neighbors. One of them just bought me 2 lemon fresh baked cakes. I cut out a Christmas tree on my Cricut machine, and I'm going to transfer it to this wine glass.
Twinkling lights, snow on the ground. Oh, how you loved Christmas in this town. Snowball fights and hot chocolate kisses. Kids up all night, writing down wishes. It's that magical time that we wait on all year. And oh, how I wish you were here. To throw reindeer bells up on the roof, leave those big Santa footprints, even though they always knew that you ate all the cookies, left your coat caught in the tree. You did every little thing just to make them believe. Then we'd sit in the quiet, crack open a beer, and oh, how I wish you were here.
Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I hope you have been enjoying the videos so far for this Vlogmas season. I'm going to do a tablescape using the 2 DIYs that you just saw previously. Enjoy, guys. Guys, I'm a senior and my budget currently is small. But I'm going to tell you something. You can still create small spaces like this in your apartment or your home without spending a lot of money. And with everything that's going on in our economy right now, you better try to hold on to more than you're spending. So I created this little centerpiece. That's how you save your money. You don't have to go out and spend for any season. Next, I'm using this beautiful red charger.
They all pile up and they drive down to see me. We spend the whole week here in our old house. Oh, how you let
This clear square bowl.
see me now, trying to reach up and throw the reindeer bells on the roof.
Doorbells. And this beautiful red cowbell.
Sit in the quiet, crack open a beer, play White Christmas and wish.
And my DIY napkin ring. And my beautiful glasses. I've got this beautiful Christmas tree that I got from Dollar General. And I'm gonna place one on each side. And I'm gonna do the other side like this one, and I'm gonna come back with the reveal.
Twinkling lights, snow on the ground. Oh, how you loved Christmas in this town. Snowball fights and hot chocolate kisses. Kids up all night, writing down wishes. It's that magical time that we wait on all year. And oh, how I wish you were here. To throw reindeer bells up on the roof, Leave those big Santa footprints, even though they always knew that you ate all the cookies, left your coat caught in the tree. You did every little thing just to make them believe